Hi guys, Avik here from the Global Developer Network. In this video, we are going to be completing FreeCodeCamp's challenge called Create a Text Field. Now you may have seen text fields on the internet everywhere, usually in sign-up pages, login pages. So you'd have to create your name, email, mobile, and password. That's an example of a text field. So what we'll do is have an input and a type attribute, and the value of this will be text. So input fields do not need a closing element because they are self-closing. So what we can see here is we type something, and usually on a server you'd have a submit button where you can send the data to a server to log in, for example, or search something. So if you're wondering, first we'll run our tests. So there we go. But if you're wondering how to get something like a password field showing up, so something like black dots, all you have to do is change the type from text to password. And in HTML5, a password field will display as black circles, so they hide your password. So that's all for this video. Alright, so let me know in the comment section below where you had difficulty in this challenge and whether you like this video tutorial or not. Also, please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel for future updates. Alright, so see you in the next video.